Yep, I think it's recording again. So guys, hello people. We are back with another Nintendo Labo video. Best thing in the world. I know it's just cardboard, but it could actually be pretty fun. Yeah, so today we're going to be playing with Nintendo Labo again. The last video we did the RC car. Check that out. Yeah, we're going to be playing with the Toy-Con fishing rod. So the fishing rod is a fishing rod right over here, which you could fish out some fish. It's like fishing but cardboard, and in a game, which is pretty cool. So all this stuff, remember, arts and crafts, Nintendo's new creation, all that stuff. And after the Toy-Con fishing rod, we're doing the Toy-Con house, which is pretty cool. So we are gonna get right started with the fishing. So here are all the rules in the game. It says all that stuff, and then it probably shows the aquarium by now. Oh wait, before I do anything, this is the Toy-Con fishing rod. It might not look like a fishing rod for one of you guys. If it does look like a fishing rod for you guys, leave a like and leave a comment saying it looks like a fishing rod. So let me put the Nintendo thing aside. And what the Nintendo Switch says, it's let's connect the Joy-Con controllers wirelessly. So what we need to do is take off these two Joy-Cons, and there we go, we did. And we need to okay, so this is it says here to connect the Joy-Cons right into the cardboard piece. So this is the Toy-Con fishing rod right here, the cardboard thing, and we want to put let's see if I can focus it. We want to put this one right in here. So let me just slide this in. And we have slided it in. And now we want to slide this one in, which is the right controller. So let me just do that. And there we go. There's the Toy-Con fishing rod. At first I thought I would mix up this thing because I'm really bad at building, but turns out it's not that complicated. If I ever get the robot kit, I think it's gonna be easy. Well, it's gonna be easy, but it's just gonna take tons of time. That's what I think is gonna happen. I heard that one takes like 3-4 hours. Yeah, so we have did that, and right now we skip this. And we have the ocean. The fake ocean. And we want to slide this in. This is the dock piece of the Nintendo Switch. Yeah, let me just do that. And what you want to do with this is put it inside in this thing. So we now got it inside. So let me explain. So let me show you the, oh wait. So right over here, so what happens if you see right here in the game, if I do this, the line is moving where I'm going. If you see right here, if I wiggle this, the line is following where I'm going. So the line doesn't do anything. You could put it up. Oh, but we gotta pull this thing out, so wait. It spreads out like pretty large. So what you wanna do is so when you have that, okay, so let me explain. So how this is happening is that when it goes left to right, it's only the Joy-Con. It's like it knows what motion it's going. It's going left to right. So like if you grab the blue, so if I do this, if I take this off, this is the thing that, and so the Joy-Con is literally the only thing that's doing it. So the blue Joy-Con, what it does, if I do this, the water goes down. It's because that's the motion on it. It controls it. So if I do that, it's controlling it. There we go. And the red Joy-Con is what's controlling the string. The string doesn't do nothing. It's just there to look cool and all of that stuff, which is pretty cool. Well, if you take off the string, it would still work because it's only there to look cool. But if you take off the string, it's gonna be like, it's not gonna feel right. It's not gonna feel like right or anything. That's why we have the string. You could do this. It just feels cool. It feels cool and all of that stuff. So now what you want to do is after you play the game and. Let's see if we could catch a fish. Okay, let me try to catch one. Okay, I'm going down to the deep... Oh, there's a big one right over there. I'm going to the deep sea because that's where I want to go. Oh, wait, let me put the volume up for you guys. Oh shoot. So I am going down. And there's a shark that I really want to try to catch. Oh, there's a piranha right there. Oh, I don't want to catch that. So if I just wait. Get off! Scram! I said scram. Piranha. Get out. I thought you were scared of me. I'm just gonna catch that. Oh, I just saw a stingray. See, do you guys see the shark? There's a shark. Let's see if we could catch it. Oh, there's one of those big things. Did you see a shark right there? Scram. Scram. Scram, fishy. Piranha. Okay, let me just catch you. Oh, there was a shark right there! There was a shark right there! Get the piranha, get the piranha. So, right now what's happening is that I'm getting the piranha. It's hard to catch it sometimes. Oh, I just saw a shark right there. Did you guys saw that? Oh, it broke. Even trying to get a piranha is hard. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is what you guys want to do. So let me just go up. There we go. And there's one of these tiny fishes that you can get, okay? And I got this mackerel. It's a 44-centimeter fish. So all these catches that I did right now, it's all of this. So yeah, that's probably it for this Nintendo Labo video. If you guys liked it, leave a like, and all this stuff has been really cool. I'll do the Toy-Con house next after this one. So leave a like if you want to see that one, and see ya. Bye.